Hey bloggers, we're going to do two things with this blog screencast. We are going to add a blog role, a blog list, another blog to our blog list. I'm sorry. We're going to add another blog to our blog list. Some people call this a blog role. It can be individual people or it can be our group blogs. Remember that we will have individual blogs and we will have group architect project-based learning blogs. We're also going to talk about this commenting. This student here has one comment. We're going to see how we're going to do that. All right, so let's get started. We're going to tap on the design button here just to get to our background. And if you remember under settings, or I'm sorry, under layout, I can get to my widgets, and my widget here, my blog list widget right here with the edit button, is where I've added these blogs. And I'm going to add one more blog here to Sophia's blog, and I'm going to pause for 2 seconds while I do that. Okay, so I'm going to add Marina's blog to Sophia's blog, and this looks like that worked. I'm going to click the Save button, and we're going to go view this blog. All right, and I am going to go to Sophia's blog. On occasion, I'm going to tap when I'm on an iPad. I tap the refresh button, and sometimes that will speed things up just a smidge, which is exactly what I want to do right now. Okay, so this should look kind of familiar. Sophia has 5 blogs added to her blog list. Remember, she's going to want to add group blogs, her own group blog, that kind of thing. This is how we're going to do it. But let's click on Marina's blog and let's make a comment on this post. So the comment window opened here. I think I clicked on it, but you're going to click on a pencil icon if you see that. And so here we're going to say, all right, so we're just going to enter a comment here, and this post is about her Lenten journey. I like how you are trying to not argue with your sister. That was something that Marina was working on. Why is that so difficult? Remember when we comment, this is a conversation. So I think I could think of a better question. But to have a conversation about any topic is the purpose behind our commenting. All right, so here Sophia is done with this, and this is just a test post. We're going to click on publish, and then do you remember we set up the commenting settings, and we should see your comment will be visible after approval. So Marina is going to she's going to need to approve that comment, and we're going to go log into Marina's blog so that we can show that here. All right, so I'm going to pause this recording for a second and we're gonna come right back. So we were successful in having Sophia post to Marina's, but we're gonna log in here as Marina, and I'll be right back and I'll show you how that's gonna look. Okay, so here I am logged in as Marina, and we made a comment on this. It doesn't say that there's a comment, but here's how we're really going to check. I think that's just something funny on this iPad. I'm going to go to the design button here, and sometimes it says sign in, and that gets us back to our dashboard. So here, remember, this is the tool area. This is our dashboard for our blogs. We're going to click on the comment button here, and we're going to see that And we're going to see that right here under published that there are no published comments. But when we click on awaiting moderation, it says here that Marina has a comment from Sophia, which is just what we did previously. I like how you're trying to not argue with your sister. Why is that so difficult? And then so here, Marina has the option to publish this comment. So the way it's going to work is that Mrs. Brillmeyer and Mrs. Quintero also get this. You need to get approval from them. You need to double check that they saw that, and then you need to get approval before you can click this publish button from Mrs. Brillmeyer or Mrs. Quintero, and that's a very fast process. So here I'm going to say publish, and then it says one comment is published. We're going to view this blog, and here it says that Marina has one comment, and if we click on that, that should show up. And I clicked on the wrong thing. Hold on. And view blog. And I'm going to go to Marina's. And here, one comment. And we should be able to see that then Sophia left a comment on Marina's blog. So that should kind of bring that full circle, how to add to our blog roll, and then how to view and publish our comments. All right, so thanks bloggers and architects, and we will continue this process.